Hi everybody, welcome back to Mr. Ryan's art blog. I've got a fun one for you today. I'm just going to do the first part of it. The second part is going to be completely up to you. We are going to be taking a simple paper bag that you can find at pretty much any grocery store right now because they don't do plastic bags anymore. Simple paper bag, scissors, and a pen or Sharpie or whatever you feel like using. We're going to turn this into clothing. Yeah, we're actually going to take this, we're going to make it into a really cool vest, and then you guys are going to be able to design whatever you want on here. You can make pockets, you can do you can color it all in whichever color you want. It's completely up to you. But this is a fun little project that I've done before, and it takes a little bit of work on this bag before it actually works for you, but for the most part it's a really cool project. It's pretty easy to do. All right, so first step here, I'm going to set this down. I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to draw on the very bottom of the bag. All right, so I have it folded over like this right now for a reason. Okay, I'm going to draw on the very bottom. What I'm going to do is make a pretty big size circle. I'm not going to go to the end, I'm not going to go to the edges on this side or this side, but right here I'm going to have this connect to 2 points. All right, so I'll show you in 1 second here. So I'm going to make a mark here and a mark right there. You guys can see it. A mark here and a mark there. Back it up a little bit so you guys can see the whole thing, just like that. This is going to be the opening of our vest here. All right, and it's going to actually come all the way down this bag all the way to the bottom. Okay, but I'm going to draw a big circle from here around, not touching the top here, but all the way around and down. This is going to be where your head's going to go. Okay, so again, draw this circle here. Don't go all the way to the top, but you can get super close to it. Down and around, all right? Just like that, okay? I'm going to try to continue my little marks here so you can see them on the other side, just for continuity's sake there. And really hard to see. But I continue at the top, and then I'm going to fold this piece down. So now the circle is on the back side, and I'm going to draw my lines all the way down to the bottom of my paper. So I'm going to go like this. This one, and this one. All right. So what I have now is my bag, my cutout, my circle, and then the line all the way down to the bottom of the paper. Okay. You're going to cut here all the way up, have this flipped over all the way around like this and down. Okay, that's later, because what we need to do now is we got to open this up, flatten it out a little bit, and then I got a little tag on here that needs to come off, but that's okay. Go. All right. So you're gonna open this up. Now you can see, there's where your head goes, there's where your body goes. All right. We're gonna draw 2 big circles here too, but they aren't gonna come down to the bottom or anything like that. We're not opening up the sides. Okay. We're gonna cut these circles out, and I'll show you guys how to cut out everything so you know how to do it. But I'm gonna hold this bag like this. I like to do it this way so it's easier for me to see kind of where everything's gonna be here. And I'm gonna draw a nice big circle. I'm gonna go about halfway up the paper, right about here, to about there. Okay, leave just a little bit of space for your shoulder and whatever at the top. And I'm gonna go like this, down, okay? Nice oval. This side, same thing. I make a line right there, so I know where I'm gonna be. Make a line at the top here, and then I'm gonna go around okay? So now what I have is the front, my head, open space, it's gonna be the open part of my vest, sleeve, sleeve. We're gonna turn this one into a vest here, all right? So check this out. Scissors, super careful, okay? If you're not sure how to use these or you need help, ask a parent for help. You guys can always do these projects together, okay? I'm gonna take these scissors, I'm gonna push out a little spot, push out a little bit here, okay? Give me 1 second. Push this out, crease it, and then snip, okay? What that does is instead of cutting from down below, I've snipped here and now there's a hole, all right? And I can cut from that hole to the outside of my circle. Give me 1 second here to cut this bad boy out, and then I'll show you my progress, okay? Now I want you, when you're cutting these out, just be a little bit careful, okay? Because if you're gonna be putting this on or something, especially up around your head and everything like that, if you start cutting out a little bit choppy and there's some pointed pieces and stuff like that, you could scratch yourself a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt, you'll be all right, but it's just a little easier to make sure you're doing this carefully, okay? So around, there's one for the arm. And notice I didn't go all the way to the edge of this. And the edge of this, I left a little bit. That's what you want to do. Again, pinch, right there, cut. If you're not, if you need a little bit of help with this and you're not sure how to do, how to really get your scissors in there, make another cut. And you can kind of cut out like a diamond shape out of that. That will give you a chance to really get your scissors into here and make life easy for yourself, all right? Sometimes I cut up and out like that. And then you're going to cut around again, pieces at a time there. If you need help with cutting stuff, you can always ask for help. Sure. Whoever is doing this with you, if they want to do it with you, then together. Sometimes the paper here is a little harder to cut, so you need to be extra careful with it. And other sleeve done. So I've got, and you can see straight through. All right, so I've got one sleeve there, one sleeve on the other side. Now the fun part here, straight up. Straight up, open that up, get to the top, work your way around the top here. Remember this part, extra careful, and you'll notice that because the bottom part of the bag has more pieces to it, you might have to go back in. You might have to go back in and cut this underneath little piece too, so it all comes out together. Alright. Cut straight up the middle too if you need to. Miss that little underneath piece again. there's that. And then here. Like I said, if it's tough for you, ask somebody for help. You can always use the front part of the scissors to help cut stuff out, little snips at a time. All right, and then work your way down the other side on the front here. Get rid of that, and you got yourself a little vest. All right, there's the arms again, sleeve, top. All right, I don't know if this is gonna fit on Mr. Ryan, but all right, it goes around like this. Around the other side, it's definitely not gonna fit on me, but there you go. The paper bag vest. You guys can color this in however you want. You can take some of these extra pieces as well. If you take them, cut them out into squares, you can glue them side, bottom, side, leave the top open. You can make pockets. All right, completely up to you, but I can't wait to see how some of these turn out. Please make sure that you guys, and I'll have my email and everything at the end of this, please make sure that you guys show, send me some pictures and let me know what you guys thought of this one. Hope you guys have fun. Remember, keep making art. Hey, thanks for checking out that video. If you have been working on your artwork and you'd like for me to see it, please send it to my email, which I'll put right up near my head over here, maybe on top of my head. I don't know, we'll see. Please send me a picture. I'd love to see it. I've gotten some pictures from people already of artwork that they have finished up, and it looks so awesome, guys. I miss you all. I hope you guys are having fun at home with family and friends, and everybody's staying safe, and that you're making art. So keep going, keep making art, and have fun. Thanks.